Hello, hey, I'm Barbara D at Guarantee RV. You might have seen some of my videos in the past. Today I want to talk with you about an excellent trailer. This is a unit that is called a Sundance, made by Heartland. Nice rig. Aluminum cage, so the framing is all aluminum. You don't see any particle board in it. It's all nice, clean plywood. It's got a terrific floor plan. It's for a family with from young kids to teenagers that just can't wait to get out there, or a group of adults that want to go out and have a good time. So I'm going to take you through a nice tour, and we're going to head on in there right now. This is such a nice trailer. It's why I was so excited to show it to you. You know, as you come in the front door, you've got two really nice bunks with a ladder that are right here in the back. Blackout blinds on them. Each of them have a window and ports for USB. It's got a great big bathroom with a beautiful shower. Nice lavatory, a place to hang your towels and your toiletries. Lots of storage in here. And then as you come through the actual main part of the trailer, it feels like home. You've got a great sofa to sit down, looks directly at the TV. You've got a great fireplace. You know, that'll not just be the ambiance, but it's going to give you a lot of heat. It would probably heat this entire unit. Great big refrigerator, a dedicated dinette, a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. It's a corner kitchen, but it's got a deck of drawers and overhead cabinets, an oven, so you can maybe make some scalloped potatoes or some kind of a pot roast or something like that while you're out. Smell up the whole place, make it feel like you're at home, and warm it up. And then when you go into the bedroom up front, which is the master bedroom, it is absolutely gorgeous. It has barn board on the back here, and it's got these LED lighting. And as you notice, you've got long garment closets on each side, storage up above, and then also a pass-through underneath. So if you want to put in some totes or something like that, you can take everything. Plus this little closet, which is handy dandy. You know, I could go on and on about this travel trailer, but the real rubber meets the road when you come out and you take a look at it. It's the feeling that you get. You know when you walk into a rig and you really like it, that it fits your needs. This has a lot of great opportunities that I could talk about on structure, but the most important thing for you to do is to come out and take a look at it yourself. Hey, I want to just thank you. Thank you so much for looking at this video with me. It's a lot of fun. I love doing this, and I love what I do. I love helping families find the thrill and excitement and experience of RVing. Please call me. You can ask me any questions. You don't have to buy anything from me. Just call me up and let's have a little chit chat about what's on your happy list. My number is 541-521-4232, and it's Barbara D. I'm at Guarantee. Thank you.